Welcome to the second video in a 6-part series on API management capabilities in SnapLogic API Manager. In this video, we will learn how to create an API from an existing project. In SnapLogic Manager, click API Manager under API Management in the left panel. Click the plus icon on the right side here. Select New API from the drop-down. You can create an API in many ways. In this video, we will create a new API from an existing project. Select Create from Existing Project. From the Project Selection drop-down, select a project. We'll select Assets from Documentation. Click Continue. Choose the assets here to import into the new API. Modify the default option selections if needed. Click Import and Continue. Now add the general information required for the new API. Add a name, description, version, and tags. Based on the name and the version, the path to endpoint is created. Choose the server where the API will run by selecting the Snaplex from the drop-down. Click Create. The new API is created. Click the API to see the API details. Open the Versions tab to check other versions of the API. Click the version number to check the version details. You can check and edit the details of the API if required. Open the Assets tab. All the assets are listed here. Click the downward arrow next to the name to view logs and other details. Alternatively, click a task name or an account name to modify it. If you have files or directories listed here, click their names to modify those assets. Click the pipeline asset to open it in the designer. We can edit this pipeline by adding snaps and configuring them for various endpoints. In this video, we learned how to create an API from an existing project. To learn how to publish an API and manage an API lifecycle, watch the next video in this series, Manage an API Lifecycle.